Good morning students, welcome to all 11th standard accountancy. In this video we are going to discuss unit 4 ledger. So last video we discussed sum number 1. So today we are going to discuss sum number 2. So pass the journal entries for the following transaction and post them to the ledger. So the transactions are given August 1, 2017. Dharma started the business with cash 70,000. Then date 6, cash received from Ganesan 10,000, and date 10, rent paid 3,000, and date 20, received commission from Anand 5,000. So pass the journal entry. So we have to prepare the journal entry first. So journal entry. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Okay, so first date 1 August 1st. So 1/8/2017, Dharma started business with the cash. So Dharma started the business. So cash comes in. So cash account debtor. So Dharma is the giver. So you have to write on the credit side Dharma capital account. Dharma capital account. Being, we have to write the narration. So being Dharma started business with the cash. Started business with the cash. The amount 70,000. So cash on the debit side 70,000. So credit side 70,000. And next, cash received from Ganesan. So date 6/8/2017. Cash received from Ganesan. So Ganesan, cash received from Ganesan. So cash comes in. So real account rules, you know that what comes in debit. So here cash comes in. So we have to write on the debit side cash account debtor. So cash received from who? Ganesan. So Ganesan is the giver. So we have to write on the credit side to Ganesan. To Ganesan. So being cash received from Ganesan. Received from Ganesan. Amount 10,000. So next one, next date. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Okay, so first one, next date 10/8/2017, rent paid. So rent nominal, so nominal account. So all nominal account rules, all the expenses, losses debit. So rent account debtor. So what goes out? Cash. So to cash account. To cash account. Being rent paid. Being rent paid. The amount 3,000. Understand? Then next one, last one, date 20. So 20/10/2018. Received commission from Anand. Received commission from Anand. So received commission from Anand. So cash account received commission. So cash, what comes in? Cash. So cash account brought to commission received. All the incomes and gains credit side. So we have to write on the credit side. So commission received. Amount 5,000. commission received from Anand. So BE commission received. Commission received. Next we are going to prepare the ledger. So what are the accounts we are going to prepare? So first one, Dharma's capital account and cash account. Then second, Ganeshan. Then next, rent account. Then commission received account. So first we are going to prepare the cash account. Cash account. So debit side, credit side, cash account. So debit side also same column, date, particulars, JF, amount. Then come to the credit side, date, particulars, JF and the amount. So cash account. So first entry, Dharma started business with cash. So we just now wrote this cash account debtor to Dharma capital. So cash account is debit side. Cash account is debit side 1/8/2017. So we have to write here to Dharma's capital. So the opposite entry will write here Dharma's capital account. So cash account debtor to Dharma capital. So cash account debit side. So we have to move to the debit side. So we have to write the opposite. So the entry comes along with the Dharma capital. So we have to write on the Dharma's account. So amount 70,000. Next, second one, cash received from Ganeshan. So cash account to Ganeshan. So same debit side to Ganeshan account. Ganesh account 10,000. Then next, rent paid. So rent paid, rent account debtor to cash. So cash is credit side. So we move on to the credit side. So the opposite word is rent. So by rent account. By rent account. Amount 3,000. So rent paid. So rent account debtor to cash. So cash is credit side. So we move to the credit side. So opposite word we have to write here. So opposite word is rent. So by rent account. Okay. So next one. Received commission from Anand. So cash account debtor to Anand. So date 20/8/2017 to commission account, to commission received account. Commission received account. So 5,000. Okay. So we have to check whether which side is more. So debit side is more. 70,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000, 85,000. So bring it to the same line on the credit side, 85,000. So 85,000 minus 3,000, 82,000. So the answer is called by balance carry down. By balance carry down, 82,000. The date 31st/8/2017. Then bring it to the next month, 1/9/2017. To balance brought down. To balance brought down, 82,000. So next we are going to prepare the next account, Dharma's capital account. Dharma's capital account. So Dharma's capital account, date 1/8/2017. Cash account debtor to Dharma's capital. So Dharma's capital is credit side. So we have moved to the credit side. By cash account. By cash account 70,000. So we have to close the item. So only one Dharma account only. So 70,000. So bring it to the debit side. 70,000. To balance to balance C by D. 31st August 2017. So next, bring to the next month, 1/9/2017. By balance brought down 70,000. By balance brought down 70,000. Next, we are going to prepare the rent account. So rent account date 10/8/2017. Rent account. So rent account return to cash. So rent on debit side. So to cash account 3,000. To cash account 3,000. So bring it to the credit side 3,000. 31/8/2017. By balance carry down 1/9/2017. To balance brought down 3,000. Next account, we have to prepare the Ganeshan account. So Ganesh account. So cash account, cash received from Ganeshan. So cash account to Ganeshan on credit side. So move to the credit side 6/8/2017. By cash account. By cash account 10,000. So credit side total 10,000. So bring it to the debit side 10,000. 31/8/2017. To balance C by D 10,000. So bring it to the credit side 1/9/2017. By balance brought down 10,000. Next account, last account, we have to prepare the commission account. Commission received account. Commission received account. Last account. So cash is received from Anand. Commission received from Anand. So cash account to commission received. So come to the credit side. Date 28/2017. By cash account. By cash account 5,000. So total 5,000. Bring it to the debit side 5,000. So to balance C by D 5,000. Date 31/8/2017. The next 1/9/2017. By balance brought down 5,000. So we prepare the ledger account.